What's your name?
Miss Roman?
It's Roman?
Yes.
How old are you, Roman?
Good.
You're good? How old are you?
A picture?
No, not a picture. How old are you? You're 3?
Yes.
Wow, you are so smart. You're so awesome. Are you awesome? You are? Give me kisses. Give me kisses. Mwah. You see the camera?
So cheese.
Cheese. Cheese.
Like, why the camera? Yeah.
Where are we? We're waiting for David and Bubba to come out the store.
Yes.
Hopefully they won't take as long as Mommy did. Just watching people go in and out the store. You know you're gonna get in trouble if you go. What are you doing?
I'm sleeping.
You gonna sit down right there?
Yes.
Who's gonna get your booty?
Down.
Yeah, because Mommy's gonna get your booty if you don't get down. You know you're not old enough to drive yet, right? No driving. Let go. So you got a long way to go. So just relax. Okay?
Okay.
Oh no, Rowan, no! No, don't say no. Don't go there. Okay, that's enough. Don't do that. Don't do it. Leave it alone. No, don't even mess with that. Don't even mess with that. Don't mess with that either. Nor that. Do you understand, Mommy? Huh? Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna get you.
No.
Yeah. What are you doing? You're playing your game? Are you playing your game? Doesn't look like it.